In this video, we'll show you how to create a Deriv account and make your first deposit. To start trading with Deriv, you need to complete the following steps. Create a demo account, add a real account, make your first deposit. Let's see how you can create a demo account first. The process is the same for desktop, iOS and Android devices. Go to deriv.com and click the Create Free Demo Account button. Enter your email address. Tick the Terms and Conditions checkbox if you agree, and click the Create Demo Account button. You can now sign up with your Google, Facebook or Apple account by clicking the respective button and following instructions on the screen. If you use your email address, you'll be sent a confirmation email. In your inbox, open the email you've just received and click the Verify My Email button. You will be taken back to Deriv, where you'll need to select your country of residence and create a secure password. Once you've entered your details, click the Start Trading button. That's it. You now have a Deriv demo account. You'll see a screen where you can choose your first trade type to start your Deriv journey. If you're not sure where to start, click Not Sure and you'll be taken to the Deriv platform where you can practice trading with your demo account. Now, if you want to trade with real money, let's see how you can create a real account. Go to the top right corner of your screen and click on your balance amount. It will open a drop-down menu with the available account options. Select the Real tab and click Add button next to the Deriv account. Select your preferred currency to deposit with, then click Next. Enter your personal details following the instructions on the screen. Fill in your address, check the terms of use, and click Add account. Your real Deriv account is ready. You can fund it right away by clicking the Deposit button or access this feature later through the cashier. This brings us to the last step you need to complete to start trading with Deriv. Make a deposit. Once you are on your cashier page, click Deposit. Select your preferred payment method and follow the instructions on the screen. Once your funds are reflected in your account, which you can check in the top right corner of your screen, you can start trading with real money. Find more blogs and videos about trading and Deriv services all on www.deriv.com/academy.